Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm starting the video off right now. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, I believe. Like 2, maybe 2:30, something like that. Either way, almost 3 o'clock, but I just wanted to start off my vlog. And I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be crocheting, what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, and what I've been working on so far. But I have a cardigan that I never finished. I have a dress that I started. I didn't finish that. And I'm working on either a skirt or some pants or shorts. I'm not sure which one.
It's okay, pop your shit, face on pretty, that's they thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the leg none. Get it on think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitch you like is my son.
Don't mind the hair right now. Got my hair in a ponytail. And I'm just sitting in bed and I'm about to pick up, let me show you guys what I've been working on. I'm trying to get better at holding my camera at a certain angle instead of like up and y'all just staring at my neck fat. So y'all could just see my whole face. My sinuses are killing me right now. I was gonna go live. I still might go live, I'm not sure. So if you see me live at like 2, 3 o'clock on Wednesday, today should be the 23rd. And then you see this vlog after, because this vlog is gonna come out after, then you know that I went live or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Don't matter. Either way, I have a bag full of yarn that I took out of my yarn bin because I wanted to fill that bin up with stuff that I'm gonna be donating, like sweaters, hats, etc. So I put everything in a bag. I was gonna throw it away, but then I'm like, why would you throw it away? You can either roll it up or repurpose the items that you made that I've never worn. So I took a hat apart and let me see if I can get a good angle, y'all. I started making this with half double crochets and I really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it at black and gray. I'm really feeling the black and gray, but I don't know if that's what I'm going to keep it as, because then I will have to order more black and gray. And I'm really trying to use what I have, so I'm like, should I just do pants and just put a whole bunch of different colors? So yeah, that's just my little rant right now. So stay tuned. Hopefully you guys have been subscribing. Thank you guys for all the support that you show me on my live as well, because it afforded me to become partially monetized, and soon I will be fully monetized, which is very great because then I'll be able to do a lot of things for my family as well as help out my husband with certain things. So without further ado, let's get into it. By the way, I'm wondering if I should put y'all on to where I got this from because quality. But either way, yeah, so I'm staring at my black yarn right now. I'm in the bed. I'm like, should I have gotten up? Should I have brought that over here? Because I'm actually about to be done with so now I'm gonna have to get back up out the bed. I wonder if I should show you my little craft area. It's not much, but it's whatever. All right, so this is my current little craft area. Actually where I'm sitting was where I had my stuff at, but me and my husband switched the room around, so I have my stuff over here. Yeah, you see my bonnet, my cup, and my Vaseline, my medicine, because I have to take my Stay Alive medication aka my thyroid medication. And then yeah, so I'm thinking of what can I put on this wall. I really need to repaint the room, but I don't even know if I feel like doing that because we honestly want to move. So this is, if you're ever on my live, this is where I'm sitting as of lately. I'm over here, my yarn is over here. My yarn bag is like right here. Ignore my clothes. And I have more stuff over here. The bin that's at the bottom is where I took everything out of that's in this bag. And now I just have donation stuff at the bottom. iPad, my purse. I need to get this stuff up. This is the red cardigan. I worked on this shirt, but not really feeling it. I might just separate the panels and just wear the panels separate and then give my daughter the other one so we can have matching shirts. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. Okay guys, so this is the next day and I just wanted to show you that the dress that I'm working on that I was telling you guys about, as always, ignore anything on the floor, anything in the background, mind your business. Yeah, so I'm working on this dress. I saw it on TikTok, forgot to create his name, and I wanted to make it. So I was thinking about this. This is what I was working on live. I wasn't sure if I wanted to make pants or shorts or a skirt. This is the cardigan that I never finished, but I will be finishing it. I love it so much. I'm so happy I decided to do it the way I'm doing it. And this is a top that I started to make also on live. You can go watch my live. And I like it, but I'm not sure what I want to do with it. And I think I might take it apart and just leave the back open and just do a tie-up back. And then make one for my daughter the similar way. So, yeah, excuse my stomach. I don't care. Y'all know that I'm fat, so it don't matter. This is the black and gray thing I was just showing you that I'll be working on live. I think I'm gonna keep it as a skirt, so I am gonna do a waistband and I'm gonna make it a little bit longer and then I'm done with this product. But you guys will have to see that in part 2 of this video. Hopefully you're watching this video all the way to the end. And then now I'm about to make some breakfast. Okay guys, yeah, so the air you hear in the background is just the AC, but I was just sitting with my husband. He was on his computer doing things. I am finishing up the gray skirt. Like I said, I will show you guys the finished product in part 2 of this vlog because I know I'm not going to be able to finish everything that I want to finish. So you guys will see that in the next part, which I probably would just post it tomorrow. And then you guys can just go watch that instead of waiting a couple of days to see how the other projects turned out. Please make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel because I am almost fully monetized, which I will be doing a giveaway video and I will be picking at random. So there's no favoritism. Shout out to Bead Frog. Shout out to my Asia and Milmat fam and all of the crochet people that come into my live. I can't remember everybody's name. My memory is bad, but shout out to all of you that come in. Monster Girl and my other new subscriber. I can't remember your name, but shout out to you from Trinidad. Thank you guys for joining in and really supporting me. I really didn't think I would find any type of crochet community, but I'm so happy I switched over my content to crocheting because I'm finding a lot of people that enjoy the craft that I like. And to be honest, I don't get as much love as I get over here on other platforms, only from the people that I know. So I really do appreciate it when there's strangers that I don't know and we could turn this into a community. And I have a lot of plans set up for my channel. So I'm really, really appreciative of you guys watching my content. Hopefully you guys are watching from beginning to end and not skipping through because you never know what you might miss out on. And hopefully you guys can join a membership so I can start posting some members only videos and giving you guys tutorials on things that you might have to pay $100 or $50 for, when you can just get it for free. For actually not for free, but for $3.99 or $8.99 depending on which membership you get. And there's a lot of things that I know a lot of people would love to see, and you know, I'm sure they make it, but sometimes it's all about who's giving the tutorial. But I'm not going to talk too much, guys. After this, and I think, yeah, after this, me and my husband decided to take a walk. So you guys are going to see, like, us walking. I look very tired because I was out of breath walking up that hill. And then going to see the pond and stuff. So thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for part 2. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, your family, and it's Pardon My Beauty Crochet. So when I'm live, it says Pardon My Beauty Crochet, but you see me doing my nails, that is my name.